Okay guys, welcome back, and say hello to Naomi because she just wants to be in every video that I make. So understand that this is a transitioning refrigerator, so there may be items that are not on his list in here. So yeah, just understand that. Let's start in the door. So in the door I still have some Earth Balance. In here I have my lemon and my limes, and I also use these to put on my armpits as well. That's normally why I cut them up. Yeah. And then I have some Irish sea moss gel, some Smuckers that I actually never ate because I started to transition back to Dr.Sebi. This verde sauce. I just didn't want to throw stuff away because I spent money on it, so why not use it up and then, you know, fully transition. Then I got this organic ketchup, got a little hot sauce, some apple cider vinegar, I got this unrefined coconut oil, some hemp seeds, some sun-dried tomatoes, and my Irish sea moss that I only have a little bit of. So yeah, let's move into the actual refrigerator. So as you can see, Buki is playing with peppers. So, strawberries. So I have peppers down there, cucumbers, some apples, there might be some pears in there, maybe a lemon or lime. This is some wild rice that I'm soaking, and wild rice is on Dr.Sebi's list. Peppers are also on there, cucumbers, apples, pears, all of that's on the list. Some Roma tomatoes, I got some mushroom, some white and baby Bella mushrooms. I got some strawberries. I got some organic spring mix. In this, oops, sorry, broke up. In this little baggie is just like my leftover little veggies that I need to eat. So it's zucchini squash, an onion, green bell pepper, butternut squash. So yeah. Back here I have some module dates. Gotta get the dates in there. Up here I got a half of a pear that I'm about to eat. Some almond milk, some organic apple juice. Will bought this apple cider that I don't like and it's nasty. Some water. Back there, this dark tea is my iron tonic that has what does it have? It got ginger, raspberry leaf, dandelion root. Oh, dang, what else does it have? I can't think. Dandelion root, elderberry, and nettle leaf. Well, stingy nettle leaf is all in that iron tonic. So feel free to make your own, guys, with spring water. And that other tea over there is just fennel tea to increase breast milk supply. Buki, I need to get in my drawer. Down here, I basically just have lemons, ginger, onions, and an avocado that I need more of. So yeah, that's it for the refrigerator. Up here is literally nothing. All I have is frozen blueberries, frozen mango, and some alkaline chickpea fries that I just made last night. I experimented with. So yeah, guys, that is what's in my refrigerator at the moment. Some things are not on the list, like almond milk. We already had the almond milk, so I'm just gonna finish it off. The hot sauce and the Smuckers and the Verde sauce and this ketchup, not on the list. No processed foods. So I will basically be doing a lot of cooking at home. So yeah, I would show you what's in my cabinets, but that'll just take too long. So thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful day. And get alkaline, man. Health is important. You feel so much better when you're healthy than when you're not healthy, of course. So peace and love, guys. Talk to you soon.